Almost every culture in the world has held celebrations of thanks for a plentiful harvest. The American Thanksgiving holiday began as a feast of Thanksgiving in the early days of the American colonies, almost 400 years ago. After the independence, United States Congress recommended one yearly day of Thanksgiving for the whole nation to celebrate. George Washington suggested the date November 26th as a Thanksgiving Day. Then in 1863, at the end of a long and bloody civil war, Abraham Lincoln asked all Americans to set aside the last Thursday in November as a day of Thanksgiving. The date was set in stone by President Franklin D. Roosevelt in 1939 and approved by Congress in 1941. Thanksgiving is a time for tradition and sharing. Even if they live far away, family members gather for a reunion at the house of an older relative. All give thanks together for the good things that they have. In this spirit of sharing, civic groups and charitable organizations offer a traditional meal to those in need, particularly the homeless. On most tables throughout the United States, foods eaten at the first Thanksgiving have become traditional. Turkey, corn, pumpkins, and cranberry sauce are symbols which represent the first Thanksgiving. Now, all of these symbols are drawn on holiday decorations and greeting cards. Eating turkey for Thanksgiving in the USA precedes Lincoln's nationalization of the holiday in 1863. Many believe the birds were chosen because they are large enough to feed many people and they don't serve a purpose like laying eggs or making milk. More than 50 million turkeys are served in the US every year for Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving Day is celebrated with a lot of fervor and merrymaking in America. Thanksgiving is a time of gifting your family and friends. The day is a time to show your gratitude and respect to your elders, friends, your siblings, and also your colleagues. Popular gifts include Thanksgiving flowers, jewelry, baked cookie hampers, chocolate gift baskets, candy wreaths, wine, etc. Thanksgiving Day is the official beginning of the Christmas season. USA witnesses maximum sales volume on the very next day. The following Friday after Thanksgiving is famously known as Black Friday. This is so because of the standard accounting practice of writing profits in black. The ongoing festive spirit, shopping spree, helps the shopkeepers to register maximum sales and profits. The entire atmosphere during the time is euphoric. People get in a holiday mood. Families visit restaurants, amusement parks, gift each other, decorate their houses, etc. Despite originating as a harvest festival, Thanksgiving is now celebrated more generally as a day of giving thanks for perceived blessings. Although the United States is the country most commonly linked to the holiday, Thanksgiving is also celebrated in Canada on the second Monday of October. Meanwhile, similar holidays exist in Germany, Austria, and Switzerland, as well as in a single city in Netherlands. Thanksgiving is recognized for its importance to the American culture throughout the world and features heavily in a number of popular US television shows, including The Simpsons and Friends. Wish you a very happy and blessed Thanksgiving. Please like and subscribe to this channel.